My name is Amaryllis from Deco, and today I will show you how you can make a nice floral leather using Sola wood flowers. Sola wood flowers are great to make craft projects. They came in a natural white color, but you can dye them the color you like. Sola wood flowers also come in a large variety of shapes and sizes, so it's perfect for any DIY project or wedding decoration or floral arrangement you like to make. This flower is very cute with the wood, and I will see how it turns out with the color. To dye the flower you will need containers, the dye and fabric softener. You will also need paper towel and maybe a grid where you can put the flower to dry them. First, pour lukewarm water into the containers. Then add fabric softener and stir to dissolve it. Next, add the dye into the water and stir. The more dye you add to the water, the more vibrant the color will be. And here comes the fun part: soak your flower into the dye. The longer you let them soak, the more vibrant the color will be. Take the flower out and look at this nice color. Let the flower dry on the side and repeat to dye all the flowers you want to use. And yes, chopsticks are a great tool to dye flowers. Look at these beautiful colored flowers. Ready to make the floral letter. We have all the Sola wood flowers, some greenery, and of course the letter shape. And of course we have also some paint. I want the letter to match my decor, so I will paint it white. You can of course choose any color you like, or you can simply skip this step if you like the letter as it is. The letter is white and the paint has completely dried. Now we can add the flowers on it. You just have to glue the flower one by one on the leather. I suggest you to try different design before gluing the flowers. And to complete your letter, you can add greenery to add some texture and color. Depending on the occasion you make the letter for, you can also add ribbons or other embellishments. Look at this beautiful Sola wood flower leather. You can display it on a tabletop or a shelf. And if you want to hang it, don't hesitate to glue a ribbon on the back. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me. Please follow for more DIY and crafting ideas.